Hi, my name is Mohammed, and in this video we'll discuss about constants in Java. So let's begin. To define a constant in Java, you simply write final, then you proceed to write the way we define variables, just like before. So we could say integer x equal to 1, for example. Now the variable x is now constant, so we can't say x is equal to 4 because it's fixed to be 1. As you can see here, we see that we can't assign a value to final variable x. Now, I know you might say that why do we need this? For example, we could say integer x equal to 1 and then proceed in our program without changing its value. Well, the reason is because when we define x to be final, which means a constant, we're having Java assisting us to not change its value as we did before. So if you forget that x is a constant, then Java will help us. Alright, another thing I want to tell you is that whenever you try to hardcode some numbers, for example, if we are trying to print out the area of a circle, then the area of the circle is equal to pi times r squared, the radius. So if we did the program, we can define r to be a double. Let's say it's 32, and then we can store the area inside a double. Area is equal to pi, which is 31.45, and so on, times r. Then we can print this value. Because when we say in math the area of a circle is equal to pi times r, we don't say it's equal to 3.1459 and so on times r squared. And it's better for other programmers when they read your code, and it's more organized. So in this case it will work, but it's better to find it like this. This is another good thing about constant. So we could say final double pi is equal to 31.145. That make it more readable and more organized. Okay, and another thing I want to tell you about constant is that the naming convention for constants is that we capitalize each character, and to separate each word inside the constant, we simply write underscore. So we could say math pi. Right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.